Okay, number 5 and 6 have to do with the same kind of thing, so I'm going to do those together for you. Number 5, the owner of a small computer repair business has one employee who has been paid an hourly rate of $22. I'm going to underline that. The owner estimates his weekly profit using the function P of X equals 8,600 minus 22X. In this function, X represents the number of what? Let's look at this. Hourly rate of $22. That should be your clue right there. Hourly rate of $22. So if I'm looking my equation, it says 8,600 minus 22X. Well, what should X represent if it's being multiplied by $22, which represents your hourly rate? In this case, it should be hours worked per week, which is choice number 2. Please read the questions. It's important to read them through, even though they seem a little bit long, but these are definitely not difficult questions for you. Number 6, a cell phone company charges $60 a month for up to 1 gigabyte of data. So let's underline that. No matter how much data you use, you're going to pay that $60 a month. The cost of an additional data is 5 cents per megabyte. If D represents the number of additional megabytes and C represents the total charges at the end of the month, which linear equation can be used to determine the user's monthly bill? Now, I like to write my equation first and then check to see if it's there. If C represents my total charges, C is going to equal something. I'm going to pay $60 a month for my data, no matter what I use, up to 1 gigabyte. So $60 is something I have to pay no matter what. The cost of an additional data is 5 cents per megabyte. So then I'm going to add that 5 cents per megabyte, and that will depend on the number of additional megabytes, which in this case they're telling you is represented by D. So we're going to multiply that by the rate of 5 cents per megabyte. Now let's see if we have our equation here. I look. Yep, there it is, number 4. Remember, multiple choice in math is not like social studies. It's not read and pick. You need to do the work and check to see if your answer's there. Looking at all the multiple choice answers first can get quite confusing. Okay, I'm going to go on to number 7, the next page in the next video.